Hey guys, what the fuck is going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing something very fucking Canadian, and as you can tell, I have like a whole new fucking area here. Oh, the hubby had let me switch my area into one of the spare bedrooms, set it all up how I like it, and this is just kind of what I have right this moment. So as you can see, I've got like a little Canadian thing going on here, a little bit of red, a little bit, it's fucking cute, it's great. So I'm going to do like a Canadian inspired look because it is Canada Day month. I know I missed the day, I botched it, whatever, but I'm making up for it now and we're gonna see what the fuck happens. I want to say I tried doing this before and the video totally fucking botched, like terribly. I just wasn't feeling it, just wasn't in the place for it. It was just right after I finished setting everything up for like a whole night and it just wasn't the time or place. So I'm redoing the video because, you know, life. Yeah. So I'm going to remove what I have for my eyes. I'm going to keep my eyebrows on because those bitches take a long time to do, and then we're going to get started. I'll be right back. Alright, so I am makeup free for the most part, and my hair's back, and we're ready to rock and fucking roll. So I'm just going to use my Cover FX primer for the start of the look. Does anybody else ever like notice when they use primer that's super fucking soft, it almost takes their breath away? Because this shit does this to me every fucking time, I swear. Stay tuned. Near the end of the video I'm going to show you how I fucked up bad on the previous video. I'm going to show you a photo of it if you haven't already seen it on my social media. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Now I'm going to take my Makeup Forever HD foundation and apply that shit to my face. Just gonna use my Morphe fucking brush that I had just gotten, and I'm pretty fucking pumped to use. It is the Kabuki brush via them. I think I applied too fucking much. Oh my god. Whatever. We're going for the cakey look today. Why does my face look like a different color than my neck? Fuck. I think I need to do a little bit of extra blending today, which involves going all the way down. This is blending taken a little bit extravagant here. Now I'm going to, where's my big brush? What's my big brush? I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and set my face. And I'm just using e.l.f. translucent setting powder. And this shit is like floofy as fuck. A little bit too cray cray, but whatever. I don't know if you can see that. Let that shit go everywhere. Holy shit, that settled for a second. Woo! You know what, I'm retarded though? I didn't put concealer on before my shit, so just ignore that. Put it on now and make up for that. Just gonna contour a little bit, give myself some shape. That is not my contour tit. Holy fuck. Kit. Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. Gonna go in with this color right there. Fuck. Something look a little different to you? A little bit orange maybe? Oh my god. I kind of went in with this color. Shouldn't have done that. Fuck. Let's try to make that go away. Oh my god, it looks worse. Oh my god. That just looks red and fucking stupid. It's a bit better. I just went over it with my used brush. Yep, there we go. This nose does not need to be snatched today. It just looks like it looked fucking bad. That was pretty bad. Okay, I'm gonna bring it in a little closer. We're gonna start on my eyes. So I'm gonna start with just like painting my eyeball white as fuck. Do you guys like my new setup? What do you think? Do you think the background's good? Do you think the lighting's okay? I am playing around with lighting right now. I am actually using natural light. I did make myself a ring light and it looks like this. But it makes me look yellow as fuck. So if you have any tips on how to improve that, it would be really greatly appreciated because I'd rather not spend the money if I have to right now on an actual ring light. So I'm just going in with just a white right there, just all over the lid. Okay, so I'm going to do a hollow eye so it can have sort of that look that I'm going for as a Canadian flag. And I'm going to start off with, what am I gonna start with? I'm just gonna go in with this color here. Just going in on the outside, very softly. I'm gonna add some red in it later. Just gonna go in the inner corner, avoiding that middle piece. So we're gonna be playing around with that lid. Looks kind of buckety now, but we're gonna make it work. I'm really just winging it, literally just winging it. Now I'm going to take this red. Okay, really not giving me much color here. I am going to take a denser brush, going to grab some color and pack it, and then I'm gonna blend it out. That's better. There we go. She's looking like a Canadian flag. Kind of. Now I'm gonna do something that I don't know if it's gonna work or not. And that is taking a pointy brush. And I'm going to grab some of that color and I'm going to attempt a Canadian flag on my eyeball. And I'm gonna spritz it so it sticks. Wish me luck. Makeup gods, help me. Thank you. Okay, you can kind of have a better peek at this red blob on my face. You know what I look like? A Ninja Turtle. Yeah, I look like a Ninja Turtle. You can kind of see it. It looks blobbish, but it's not terrible. Okay, I've got a red blobby star on my eyeball. That's pretty much what it looks like. Well, fuck. Okay, I'm gonna try to use some white liner and I'm going to outline the outside of this, and I'm running out of time on my camera, so I will be back in a momento and see how the fuck this turns out. Okay guys, this is the look. And I know I look really droopy-eyed. It's the white. It's fucking terrible in terms of wearing it out in public. Obviously I wouldn't. I can't take myself seriously right now. It looks so good close up, but then far away I look I just can't. But I'm proud of myself for my second attempt, so I'll show you the first attempt. So that was my first attempt, trying to essentially do the red on top and then do the white around it. So that was more practice round. This side looks way better. And I've got the shadow going. Need to blend that in a little bit better. Oh fuck. This is something that will look great in a photo, and that's it. It's like Canadian inspo, but in terms of wearing this out, like never. Oh my god, my eyes, I just can't. Yeah, so let me know, honest truth, down below. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. That'd be great, because, I mean, I tried. This was a terrible attempt. Practice round. And this side, from afar, looks terrible. From close up, I think it looks good, but whatever. Opinions matter, and I want to hear yours. I want you to also stay tuned, because when I reach 100 subscribers, I am going to be doing a giveaway. I'm not going to tell you what it is, I'm not going to tell you what I'm giving away, but I promise you, 100 subscribers, that video that I post after that is going to be a giveaway. So stay tuned, and for those of you who subscribe to me, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. This is something I want to fulfill dreams for. I'm trying to say something so heartfelt by looking at myself in the mirror. Just can't take myself seriously. Fuck. But I really do want to make this like full-time career. I am slowly starting. This is not in any way, shape, or form a professional makeup YouTube channel. This is me just fucking around. And for those of you just coming in, thanks so much. Thanks so much. Have yourselves a good rest of your day. We will catch you back next time. All right, bye.